I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take an Audi A3 door panel off. First, gather your essential tools for this task. You'll definitely need a plastic trim removal tool to carefully pry components without scratching surfaces. A Torx T25 screwdriver is crucial for several screws, and a Torx T20 will also be necessary for other fasteners. A small flathead screwdriver can help with delicate covers. Having these ready will make the process much smoother and help avoid any damage. Next, let's tackle the fasteners holding the door panel in place. Start by gently prying off the small cover located behind the door handle. A flathead screwdriver works well here. Beneath this cover, you'll find a Torx T25 screw that needs to be removed. There's also another Torx T25 screw at the very bottom edge of the door panel. Depending on your specific Audi A3 model, you might find additional Torx T20 screws hidden behind trim pieces or speaker grills, so look carefully. With all the screws removed, it's time to detach the main door panel. Use your plastic trim removal tool to carefully pry along the bottom and sides of the panel. You'll hear plastic clips popping free, which is normal. Work slowly and evenly around the edges. Once all the clips are released, gently lift the entire door panel straight up and away from the door frame. Remember, it will still be connected by wires and cables, so don't pull it completely off yet. Now, with the panel partially detached, you'll need to disconnect the electrical components. First, locate the main wiring harness. Often, it has a purple tab that you press down to release the connector. Next, unclip the door handle cable from its housing. There might be other smaller electrical connectors for window switches or lights that also need to be carefully unplugged. When you're ready to reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all clips are aligned and screws are tightened securely for a flush fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.